Thanks for coming back for another challenge lock video. I've got number 3 challenge lock in the vise from MicroRCFiend, and I've picked his first ever challenge lock that he sent me yesterday. I picked his second one, and now we're going to have a go with number 3. And I'm going to use my own pick this time. I've been bashing out the ones with the John Eggington and the Boy Bill bow pick, but I thought I can't ignore this baby forever, so I'm going to have a go with number 3 with my own pick. Pry bar's not going to fit in there. And someone was messaging me today talking about the tension wrenches. So what I've got here is I've got the what you call the flat 5 and the heavy pry bars. So basically these are the 2 pry bars and these are the thickest ones, and you buy these as a pair, and you can buy the flat 5. I don't know where the other 2 are. There's one lurking behind here, and there is a 5th one, and they're all different thicknesses, and I've put the different number of bars on it for the ones that I know. So I just, whenever they're just laying on the table, I go to pick one up and I want to find a thicker one or a thinner one, and I'll throw it down and then end up picking the same one up again. It was hard to tell the difference, so I've just put these black bits of shrink wrap on just to distinguish the thickness. So I'm going to go to what I would say my number 3, and that's the biggest, the thickest one out of the flat 5 wrenches. And yeah, this pick was made from a template that was sent to me. You know, the blank picks, you just get it and it's just like a lump of metal with a square on the end, and then you can shape it and put it and make it how you want it. And UKLP sent me a pack of 3 one time with an order, and yeah, I've made 2 picks, and this one I used quite a lot. So enough talking, let's get on and see how we go. And you know what? I think I'm going to have to revert back to the John Eggington. I'm so used to this pick now. Now that was a bit more tricky. I'm not sure if maybe I don't know. Feels a lot stiffer to turn. Maybe that circlip's a little bit. Oh, fuck it. Ah, bollocks. That circlip felt a bit sticky to do. Let's have another go at that. There we go. Right, now I'm not going to fucking lock it back up again now, but that is a lot stiffer. I'm not sure if that's just a circlip or what, but let's have a look, see what we've got. Right. I'm not even going to bother keeping the lock in shot. There we go. And you can see here that everything has needed to be picked. Oh, and he's done a bit more work there. Oh, I can see why maybe it was rubbing. There's still a lot of fine metal. Can you see that on there? Fine metal, what do you call it? Shavings or dust, where obviously he's done modification. Maybe that's what was causing the rubbing, making it feel stiff. I'm not sure if you can catch that on video, but lots of metal dust, metal particles. Wow, there's some lovely pins. They're just getting better and better, and you can see the modifications to the core are, I wouldn't say getting better, but they're different. So let's have a look at this one. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. You can see you've got the groove there on that one. So he's done that to, that'll cause a big false set, I think. Nothing on that one. There's like an undercut or countersunk or an undercut. I'm not quite sure what you call that. But yeah, so some of them chambers have been modified, and before I put that back together, I'm going to give that a big wipe out and a blast through, and we'll see if that makes it any smoother when you're turning it. So that's that bit, and the pins are absolutely beautiful. I think you can see that he's put a couple of standards in there still. He's left the stainless one at the front, or the steel one, not stainless, the steel one. Lovely little one there with a tapered end and serrations. A lovely deep cut spool there with a really thin top on it. Another standard, and then this one is a lovely T-pin. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. T-pin with serration as well. Yeah, really nice. Let's see what we got inside it. Straight away I can see metal shavings, metal filings. And I'm not sure if he made the pins in order of the locks. He made the pins, and his first pins went in lock 1, second pins in lock 2, you know, and so on and so on. Because these look like probably the best pins so far. Very, very beautiful. Really nice. Yeah, he's done a cracking job of that. There's not going to be any modification to the Bible, but I'm going to give that a good clean out. I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but there's loads of metal filings in there. Can you see that? So just needs to make sure that if you are doing any modifications to the Bible or to the core and the chambers, then make sure that you give it a good blowout afterwards. Okay. Now they are really nice, and they are just actually getting better and better. Sure. You can see that though in 1 is all standard, 2 you've got that heavy spool pin, 3 you've got tapered with serrations, and you've got a tapered key pin. There's 1 or 2 serrations on the top of that as well. In 4 you've got another big spool pin, and you've got this lovely key pin with a deep cut and a really thin piece left on the end. What else we've got? This lovely ornate spool pin, and that looks like a standard key pin. And we've got this lovely looking key pin here, looks like a T-pin, and another spool pin up top in number 6. So yeah, really good looking set of pins, and they're getting better and better. So yeah, you've done a good job of that one, and that kept me up for a little bit longer. So yeah, well done.